In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Claude AI. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone, and in the address bar, type Claude AI. Double check the spelling to make sure you're on the official site, then press enter to go straight there. This helps you avoid impersonation sites and gets you right to the homepage without any confusion. Once the Claude AI homepage loads, look for the option to sign in or get started. Go ahead and select the sign in option that uses Google. You'll see a button that typically says something like continue with Google. Click that to begin. A secure Google window will appear asking you to choose the Google account you want to use. Select the account you prefer. If prompted, review the connection details so you understand what access is being requested, then confirm to proceed. This step links your Google account to your new Claude AI profile, so you don't need to remember a separate username and password for Claude. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your account setup. The site may ask a few quick questions about how you plan to use Claude, such as for work, study, or personal projects. Answer these as best you can. There are no right or wrong answers, and they simply help tailor your experience. You may also be asked to accept the terms and privacy policy. Take a moment to review those, then confirm when you're ready. If any fields are optional, you can usually skip them and return later if needed. When the setup wraps up, you'll land in the Claude interface and you're ready to start exploring. Look for the message box at the bottom of the page. This is where you enter your prompts. Type your first request. Something simple is a great place to start, like asking Claude to summarize a short paragraph or to outline a study plan for a topic you care about. Press enter, and Claude will respond in the conversation window. As you try your prompts, be as clear and specific as possible. If the first answer isn't exactly what you need, follow up in the same chat with more detail. You can ask for examples, shorter or longer explanations, or a different tone. Keep your requests free of personal or sensitive information and stay on the official site while you explore. That's it. Visit Claude AI, sign in with Google, follow the prompts, and start typing your ideas. Enjoy your new workspace with Claude AI and have fun discovering what it can do for you.